Now pay attention. You said what? Don't worry about that for now. Now, look at the first example. Guys, these are the things that will be coming out in your assessment. So pay attention to it. Hey, 18 and 18. Stop messing about. Guys, we are moving on to multiplication of complex numbers now. So you have done addition of complex number. You have done subtraction of complex numbers. And now you are moving on to multiplication of complex numbers. So then that will make us to fulfill the second learning intention, to perform arithmetic operations with complex numbers. You have done addition of complex numbers. You have done subtraction of complex numbers. Now you are going on to multiplication of complex numbers. So pay attention, and that will be our last concept with regards to complex numbers. Now, number one, example, when you have 4i parenthesis minus 6 plus I. First of all, who can tell me what did we say about our I squared? What is I squared? What? What is what?
He said first.
What did you say, Sonny? -1. Please, can we give a big round of applause to Sonny, please? I told you guys you need to be confident in this class. It's right there. I squared is -1. Don't forget. So that is when you multiply I and I together, it's going to give you -1. So be careful. That part you need to always remember. Okay, now look at that. This 4i, I'm going to distribute, multiply by that. Jaden, behave. Okay? Pay attention and stop writing rubbish on the table. Pay attention now. And I'll probably advise you to put this in your book, this example in your book, not on the table. So, now look at, I need to distribute that. So that would give me 4 times -6. What would that give me? What? -24i. Fantastic. Well done, Giovanni. Now, this is the tricky part. This is the tricky part. What do you think? 4i multiplied by your I. What do you think? 4 what? 4i squared. Excellent. Listen, that will give you 4i squared. Now, what is my 4i squared? What did you say? Listen. Exactly. Fantastic. Now, it's going to be -24i. This will give me +4 minus 1. Right? Because we know our I squared is -1. Noah Madrid, put your head up. You can see our I squared is -1, right? Don't forget that. It's so important. So that gives me what? -24i minus 4. This is in standard form. Or you can say -4 minus 24i. It doesn't matter how you arrange it. Is that okay? Is that okay? If that is true, let's try, before we move on to the next one. I want everybody to do this for me. Do this for me. When we have 2i multiply by minus 3 plus I. Off you go. This in 5 minutes. 2I, based on that example right there, 2I parenthesis minus 3 plus I. Off you go. 5 minutes. Where's my red pen? Okay. 2I minus 3 plus I. Here we go. Let me see Asen. Fantastic. You're so doing great. Excellent. Excellent. Thank you, Asen. You see, when you know what you're doing, it won't take you that long time to figure it out. Thank you, Giovanni. Excellent. She got it right. What are you talking about? She got it right. What are you talking about? Jaden. Oh, Jaden, excellent. I love what I'm seeing. Good job. Good job. Good job, Raphael. Good job. Good job. Let me see Victoria. Where is it? Fantastic. Everybody's getting it right. Let me see my troublesome Antonio.
Right here, right here, right
Where
here.
is it?
Right.
He actually got it right.
Why you dick?
Please, can we give a big round of applause for Antonio? Antonio, that was the first time. That was cool. Let me use your pen. Great job, great job, great job, Eduardo. Let me see Angelo. Angelo, you must get this right, Angelo.
Oh, they're recording you. No wonder you have a mic.
You said what?
They're recording you. You have a mic on.
I do my thing. You missing this. You're missing something here. Let me see. Fantastic, 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 Julie. Julie, that's good. Cassandra, I will be so happy if you get this right. I will be so happy. Oh, Cassandra, you just made me proud. Thank you. Well done. Let me see, Edson. Yareli, what about you? Yareli, something is missing right here. Check your sign. Thank you.
This one right here.
That's what I'm talking about. Everything else is hard. I think this is. Who is so proud? Who is so proud enough to go and do it on the board? Why do you always like to go to the restroom, Antonio? You are a, what, Ronald? Taylor,